In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a miniature Barbie wristwatch. Before I begin on today's craft, I want to show you a pair of glasses that were sent to me from Glasseslit, which is a website that sells affordable eyeglasses and sunglasses. The glasses come in this clear plastic case and cost under $13. The lenses have an anti-scratch and anti-glare coating. I picked this pair because I really like the cat eye design, and I also like the contrast colours with the black frames and the metallic bridge. If you're interested in buying a pair for yourself, I've left a link to these glasses in the description box below.